How to download and get neon effect on InShot app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to InShot. As you can see out here, this is the home page. Now go down here on material, click on see all, and now swipe right here and click on effects. Scroll down until you find neon effect, click on it, and now as you can see, it's so cool. All what you have to do is click on 32 stickers free, and this effect will be downloaded to your InShot and you can add it to your videos. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.